Hop into the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride in this stylish and capable Santa Fe. This midsize crossover delivers confidence and comfort thanks to features like standard driver assistance, a spacious, well-equipped cabin, and standard infotainment tech. Start building your road trip memories. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, alarm. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.